Hello guys, welcome to my channel Chico Kids. Today we learn colors, wow, and shapes. Let's learn color. Red color, orange color, yellow color, light green color, dark green color, light blue color, dark blue color, pink color, black color. Let's start coloring. Wow. First we draw circle. Wow, circle. Pink color. Cyan color, square. Green color, triangle. Yellow color, semicircle. Blue color, oval shape. Red color, arrow shape. Kids, numbering, circle, one number, square, two number, triangle, three number, semicircle, four number, oval, five number, square, arrow, six number. Wow! Kids, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye kids.